my sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations and Made. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I have a super quick sneak peek of a project that I'm working on, and this is a Pasteloween Mini Album. And I think it's turning out so super adorable. I wanted to share with you, and I wanted to let you know I'm working on a tutorial for it that I should have up soon, hopefully by the end of the week or the weekend. I've been crazy busy, but I've been trying also to work on something to bring to you, and I think this mini album is turning out so super stinking adorable. So I just wanted to share with you a little preview. If you like it, if this is something that you'd be interested in, leave me a comment down below so I know, and also click the like button. And I shared about this on my Instagram. You can see over there what I'm up to. So follow me on Instagram at Creations and Made. I'm going to link on the description below, and say hello. I would love to hear from you over there too. So I'm going to show you here. I made all of the embellishments for this. Well, most of them. And I really love how it's turning out. I love the volume of it. I also made my own background, and I'll show you more details and tell you about all the materials, etc. more in depth on my tutorials. This is my first page. This side is not finished yet, but this side is, and I love how it's turning out. I love the stencil skulls, and I love how this toolbar turned out, and I really like this. This is actually for pictures, and this is a pocket page also. There's a pocket in here, so I'm going to place a tab over here later on once it's finished. And then I'm going to show you only a few pages that are finished. This page, I really like how it's turning out. It's really simple, but it's really cute. I added this hat here, and this is actually an acetate frame, so people can place their pictures in there. And then they can also place something over there behind the hat. And this page over here is actually a belly band they can use to place a picture or anything in there. And I just love all of the different materials that give a lot of different interest and textures to this mini. So I hope you like it too, and please let me know in the description below. And look at this! This is one of my favorite pages on this album so far. This is actually a shaker, a vellum shaker page, and I use several different accents in here, and I really love how it's turning out. So please let me know down in the description below, and this is going to be the extent of my sneak peek, because actually I haven't finished the rest yet, but I just wanted to let you know I'm working on this and show you a little preview so you know what's coming. And I'm also letting you know I'm going to have a new series real soon for craft fair ideas. So I'm going to share with you several projects that you can make for your craft fairs that are going to be easy to make and also inexpensive. So thank you so much to everyone also who has been participating on my 6,000 subscribers giveaway. If you'd like to participate, remember you have until November 1st, and I'm going to link to the video for the rules on the description below, and also here on top of the video if you'd like to participate. And if you want to participate, if you want to share, also remember that you have until October 15 to share either on your social media and or your YouTube channel. Thank you again so much, guys, and welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for all your love and support. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.